How's it going? And today I have an unboxing for you guys, the Keychron K2. I got this board off of r/mech market, met up with the user, they were local, and paid them, got the board. And I actually really do like it. I didn't think I was gonna enjoy this board, mainly because of the size. It is a 75%. I'm not huge on 75% or TKLs, just because they're kind of bulky. They don't leave a lot of room on your desk. And I'm more towards the 60-65%, but this is almost the same size of some 65% boards. It's actually fairly compact, and I think that's a very attractive feature. It does come with a few accessories. You have your 90-degree USB-C cable, you have some PBT keycaps, as well as a keycap puller. For the price, I think this is a really good board. If the And Pro 2 had arrow keys, I would say And Pro 2 for sure, much better, but it doesn't, and arrow keys are very nice to have, which is kind of why I think 65% boards are my favorite, but for some reason I really like 60s, but I hate the fact that they don't have arrow keys. Anyway, moving on from that, Keychron K2 at this price point, it's amazing. And I think it's amazing because it's hot swap, it's wireless, and it's a fairly decent build in terms of construction quality. This is the aluminum frame version. I think there's a plastic frame too, but the aluminum ones are slightly more expensive. So if you don't really care for it, whatever. One big thing though, again, it is hot swappable, so you could use this keyboard as a base and build up with it. All you would have to do is add some new switches, lube the stabs, and you would have a pretty decent keyboard for about $150-$160 that is wireless, because you don't always find a lot of custom wireless keyboards on the market. It is a bit of a hassle to integrate that into the PCB, but there you go. If you wanted to get one, buy Keychron and upgrade it. But without getting too far into it, I did have a sound test for you guys, so let's get right to that. So only after a couple weeks of using this board, it surpassed all of my expectations. So if you are in the market for a keyboard that has Bluetooth capability in the $100 range, Keychron, there you go. Got my seal of approval. Hope you guys liked the video. As per usual, take it easy. Peace out.